Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a frog on Dress to Impress. Hopefully I remember the steps to it, but you're just going to get this book and you're going to color it this green. You're also going to color your skin tone that green as well. Then we are going to grab this scarf and we're going to color it green. We're going to get these jeans, change the material to matte, and we're going to color it the same green as well here. Go to this area and we're going to get a few items. Select this skirt, again coloring it green. We're also going to get this one, select the version 2, color green for that, and the second one you're going to color it black. And then you're going to get this headband and we're going to color the outside part white and the inside part black. Okay, it looks kind of like a frog already. Then we're going to get this and we're going to color it green to add more layers. Same with this, we're going to get that and we're going to color it the same green. Then we're going to get this, coloring it again the same green, and this one too. The fourth toggle, same green. We're going to get this, color the inside part black and then the second part green, like so. Then we're going to select this hat and we're going to color this green, but we're going to make it a little bit darker, but not too dark. Then we're going to select this cupcake outfit and we're going to color it green. And for the sprinkles, you can color some like brown if you'd like to for like more textures, or color it like purpley brown. Don't really know how to do it. Like this maybe. Yeah, like this color. And we just save the color first. Then we're going to grab these boots here and we're going to again color it the same green, like this. And I'm just gonna look at what I think is missing. I think that's it, if I am right. Let me just walk around first because sometimes I forget to like add things. But yeah, I think that is it. And then you're just going to do the villain pose. So you're just going to go to the pose, go to K-pop, and select the villain one, and you have here a frog. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.